Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You can find me on all social media platforms at Beauty392B. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button, because baby, we got big things this video. Okay, I know y'all tired of that intro. I tried to do something to at least have a freaking intro, but now your girl got a new intro. So I had a guy from Shreveport, Louisiana. I'll go ahead and tag him in the description, also in the video. He did my Beauty392B Gas That Thing Up song. And I also had SRT Keys and Chris.Ivy from Atlanta come down and go ahead and help your girl out with recording. So also, it's their first time in New Orleans. So, you know, of course, I'm going to show them my Southern hospitality, child. Show them around the city, get them drunk, get them stuffed with that good old New Orleans cuisine. Definitely beignets, gumbo, jambalaya, child. I'm going to get them stuffed, child. All right. So, we're getting that set up. Our Keys putting that drone up. I think I like it right there at that angle. Yeah, wheel turned in. Yeah, I like it. It's hot. If y'all don't know, it is hot. It is like fucking 90 degrees. Hot as devil's piss out here. So we made it to another location. As you can see, they have murals over here, over there. This new one that was just painted by B Mike, last week. And just some dope art and some dope drawings. So getting some real clean shots of the scat. Also, that painting was basically dedicated to, you know, the whole class of 2020 for, you know, not being able to have their graduation because of the pandemic. But I think that is dope, man. You gotta be athletic for this shit. The boy said, hell yeah. Now, I know I be late. I know I be late with the videos, man, but I've been quarantining inside with my baby, just, you know, working out, just making sure, you know, I'm in all good health, my family's in good health. So I really haven't had the time to, you know, get out and do car stuff. So I decided to get out today, especially my boys came down from Atlanta, you know, had to come out and pop out with them. So we're actually coming up on the exit for so I'm doing a twerking shot, because you know New Orleans, the girls twerk, honey. We throw that can't say that around here, but we throw that and shake that ass. So, you know, I gotta have that in the video. It gotta be true New Orleans, authentic New Orleans. So I'm doing my walk-up shot, my burnout twerking scene. And when I was on the interstate passing it up to come home and go get ready, I seen they had a cop sitting over there, but I don't think he's over there anymore. So I'm gonna do a roll around and see what's really going on with the scene. And I'm gonna also keep the scene under wraps, because this is what we consider Mexico. So, fuck, what is that? Is that a police? No, that's not. You know, this is what we consider Mexico, so I don't want to put the location out for all my fellow sliders in New Orleans. So, found the location. I'm fucking hype, y'all. Oh my god, y'all don't understand. This has been long overdue, and I'm such a perfectionist, so I know that this video is gonna come out perfect. Like, y'all don't understand. Y'all, I don't know what the fuck Keys got me doing, but look at Ivy ass. Look at Ivy. I should get your ass in this video. Cause I'm thinking, like, how is my front splitter gonna get on?
Bro, it's not a dip. It's smooth surface. Come on,
Yeah. So we're working on my walking scene. I'm just trying to make sure my hair stays, you know, perfect. Cause my hair got a mind of its fucking own, and I don't like it.
I'm gonna wrap around, and when I say you can get out, you just let the window up.
Okay.
As I'm wrapping around, I'm tell you go ahead and let the window up. Then you can close it, then walk around to the front of the car.
All right.
The window ain't going up. good about staring at the camera. When I say action, stare at the camera and then let the window up. Once it lit up, get out the car.
All right. Fuck.
A few moments later.
My girl is looking good. I had to make sure I wiped her down because I got on top of the trunk and I did a couple shots in front of the hood. So we're gonna see how that came out. Y'all, Keith think he a fucking director.
That's who I am. Last bodyguard. Come on.
I'm backing up.
Come on. Bag it. All right there.
Right here.
Let's see how I can activate this motherfucking line lock.
I'm not doing line lock.
You need to do line lock.
Yo, I bet you just learned how to use line lock. I didn't know I was mashing my, my front brakes together like that, but I got it. Line lock from now on, so. That. Apply brake pressure. You ready? It don't matter to me. I got tire to burn. I'm gonna see my tire tracks. Let's go see what I didn't dig. This was the first time I left my little mark somewhere. You don't look at my little tires. Put a BB for beauty. Shut up. For baby. Ready? Smoke, y'all. The police?
That was good.
That was good? Okay.
Hey, we gonna get up out of here, bro.
Yep.
Somebody droning your ass.
Somebody droning me?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. All right, somebody got me on a drone. Let's go. So, I had to come over and take him to Neal's for the best Creole food, I had to come on and take him to Neal's. Get your picture. I guess they're doing construction, but you look at Neal's, man. Everybody, every famous person. All right. If you come in, you see literally nothing but famous people have visited Neal's. Nothing but. The food is so good.
I'm so about to play drunk, though.
Oh! What you got? Oh, okay. And we got the nice scenery out here. That thing got his little ass plug out, but that's cool. But a nice little view. While we eat our little food. It's good, Ivy. It's good. It's good, Crystal. That's good. It's good, Keith. In this house. He keep getting these fucking strawberry lemonades. Look, everybody else is being big dogs and taking their little bow wow drinks. But man, this pasta is so good and it is so filling that I really think I'm done. Well, damn, Artie, well, damn. Damn, so why I getting this bitch like 3 hours later and this shit still smell like burnt rubber. But I had a successful day with the team, like a fucking amazing day, and now I'm going to get Lil Man and it's time to go home. So yeah, see ya tomorrow. Good morning! Today is part 2 of the Beauty and the Bee. What the fuck are we doing today? New YouTube intro. Damn. I forgot just that fast because I'm having so much fun with my friends that you don't even feel like we're working, It don't even feel like that, so Did the hair, did the makeup. Of course, gotta put on the Chanel. Oh my god. Alright, this shit will have dudes coming to you, honey. Okay? Coming to you, honey. But I keep Chanel in my car. I got it in the house. I got Chanel everywhere. And surprisingly, it's super affordable. So we're about to go get some breakfast. I got the drone. Got the drone here. Got the extra batteries, and it's time to go play. Okay? It's time to play in the city. So I'll pick the camera back up when we make it to the trolley stop. The weather is freaking perfect today in the city to put the drones up. Oh my god, it is perfect. So freaking perfect. So yeah, I think we're gonna go ahead and do that.
They gon' die, that's on game. Ran on my check when I walk in the bank. They greet me at the door by my government name. I made them. So
the trolley stop was closed. End up coming to another broken egg. And I'm trying the mimosa for the first time.
What would you like?
The supreme omelet.
Okay. It comes with potatoes or grits.
I'll take grits.
That's it.
Yeah.
Well then, yeah,
Thank you.
yours should only come.
I'll try it out.
And then you became a T fan if it long as
Ooh. I think I like mimosas now.
The audience has been able to see that. Mimosa. Get the film to your audience.
Men do drink mimosas. Y'all keeps over here drinking a mimosa.
Yeah, don't lie like that. It's the only way you're gonna believe that. Don't lie.
Yeah, so we just got done eating. I am so stuffed. Like, the food was so good. I never had another broken egg before, and the fucking mimosas. Oh my god, Jesus, that mimosa was so good. So now we're on our way to go get some more drone shots. There's actually a traveling artist who is going to different cities and putting like postcard greetings like from that city, like on the wall murals, and they have one down here on Magazine Street, and it says greetings from NOLA, and y'all have to see it. It is, oh my god. So I'm actually about to put up on it now and get out and probably take a couple shots of it, but it is so pretty, and it's actually on the side of this building. So we just have to make the U-turn and come back up. So we just pulled up on the mural, and this is it. Greetings from NOLA. It's on Magazine and Josephine. It is so pretty. This has to be fresh too, fresh paint. So pretty. So basically, yeah, I want to get a couple of shots of my car sitting right there on Magazine Street. I'm gonna wear what? But I have to vlog about it though.
Gas that thing go, gas that thing go, gas that thing go. If you want the smoke, then you can gas that thing go, gas that thing go, gas that thing go.
Alright, so I'm about to put the drone together to go ahead and put it in the air. I got the DJI Mavic Air Fly More combo, so they already got theirs up.
Beauty bitch, she bad, yeah. She drive a scale, yeah. She drive a scale, yeah. Do nothing to a beauty bitch, like gas that thing up.
So basically, my drone kept saying I had to recalibrate it, and I tried like twice. It just didn't work. So I'm gonna go home, figure it out, take a nap, because it is so hot. Plus, it's about to rain a little bit. It is so freaking hot, and it is so draining. Like, I'm already full from breakfast. I had a mimosa, and I'm just tired now. So go home, get some rest. We're probably gonna go out for lunch and dinner, bring them to a couple spots around the city. So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy in this video right here. Go ahead and enjoy some time with my friends, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.
Beauty bitch, she bad, yeah. She drive a scale, yeah. She be rolling through the NOLA, yeah. She turning lots of heads. If you want that smoke, then you can gas that thing go, gas that thing go,